In architecture and interior design, it's all about the details. More and more designers are turning to natural stone and sintered quartz surfaces. These materials are stunning, but also demanding. Working with them requires extreme precision and the right technology. So how are companies in Poland rising to the challenge? Let's take a closer look at one of them.
We're at Goldcam, a company that's been in business since 2013. We specialize in cutting and processing sintered quartz and natural stone. Just last year, I invested in a waterjet cutting machine from Eckert, and since then, it's completely transformed the way we handle our cutting and finishing work.
To really understand the difference it made, let's rewind to the time before we had the machine.
Back then, cutting and processing took us 2 to 3 times longer. For more complex cuts, we had to outsource the work, which meant delays, extra costs, and complicated logistics. Transporting heavy materials like these was expensive and time-consuming.
Today, those issues are a thing of the past. The waterjet has not only made our work faster, it's given us the level of precision the market demands.
We can now cut with an accuracy of up to 0.2 millimeters, which is more than enough for our needs. And thanks to 3D cutting capabilities, we can make angled cuts with ease. Let me give you an example. When we're cutting or bonding a sink into a kitchen countertop, we need a slight bevel, not a full 45-degree angle, to leave space for the adhesive. With 3D cutting, we get perfect angles every time. No rough edges, no gaps, no risk of leakage down the line.
Of course, technology is only worth the investment if it brings real results. And for us at Goldcam, one of the biggest benefits was the ability to take on a new class of premium clients.
I'm truly happy with the purchase. The waterjet helped us land new customers like high-end kitchen studios and interior designers who really care about quality. And that's exactly what we can now deliver with full confidence.
But technology alone isn't enough. In this line of work, reliable support from the manufacturer is just as important, especially when time is of the essence.
That's why I chose a European brand, Eckert. Their service team is quick to respond whenever we need help, whether it's for a technical issue or just assistance with setup. I can honestly say this waterjet was a smart, well-thought-out purchase. I recommend the company, and I'm sure we'll be working with them again on future machines.
The Goldcam story proves how the right technology can transform your daily operations and open new doors for your business. If you'd like to learn more about the solutions that could drive your company forward, visit our website or get in touch with us directly.